Okay, so today's question is question 3, apologies, page 79 in the polygon logos, our polygon chapter. We're still on our polygons. We're still working on hexagons at the moment, creating these following the worked example method. All right, so this is a jewelry logo. All right, or sorry, it's a piece of jewelry. And again, it's just like the previous setup. All right, so it's point down here. We're going 30 to the right, 30 to the left, and then it's straightforward, pretty much like the one above this. Okay, so 30 degrees to the right, 30 degrees to the left. The length of each side, there it is 85. Then what we have is a slight border on the inside, so we're stepping in 15 all the way around, creating an inside border, and then everything's going light starting off, and then we're going to create this jewelry logo from there on. Okay, so picking a point, I'm going to go, keeping it light, we're going to go 30 degrees to the left, 30 degrees to the right, 85 long. Get the compass then. There's my distance. Step it over the far side. Now I'm going to bring this up. So vertical from both points. Compass down here. There's my 80. There it is there. 85 I should say. There it is there. Now, we could go like the last question where we took from here and we swung our arcs where they cross over. Or we can do this, take 30 degrees, 30 degrees, and they cross over, creating the same thing. Okay? Now we're still not having anything in yet. We needed light because there's pieces that's going to be chopped off here and there. What we're going to do now is repeat this, but stepping in 15 millimeters all the way around. So stepping in 15 millimeters all the way around. So I'm just going to measure all those. It's kind of handy enough way of doing it. All my dots. Now you could do one at a time. Totally down to yourself. I'm just putting a dot at every 15. And now I'm just going back over, nice and light. 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Vertical, and just again moving all around. All right, that's all it is. That's the quickest way of kind of getting that popped in. There's the start of the logo. Now we're going to go from here. So we're following the lines from here on in now. So there is a light line starting at the apex, working back to this corner. There is a light line going across here for that shape. This chops the nose off here. Alright, there's nothing else, just chops the nose off. Now what happens is, we go this one here to here. And that is going to chop the top here. I'm going to go lightly now because there is a portion there where it's going to come across. Looking at all our light lines, so I'll go to this one over here next. Furthest right. There to there. I'm going to chop the first bit and I'm going to lightly bring it up then. Back across for here. Same thing. Bring them through. Across the bottom, there, lightly going across, and I'm going to chop this up to the next one and bring it lightly across. Alright, so there's a series of pieces of information being created as we go along. Now what we'll need is, we're looking here, joining corner to corner, we're at 60 degrees each one. It's kind of like a sliding set square job, but we don't need it because we have our T-square. What we're going with next is where this one cuts. So everything's going light. There's a lot going on here for a minute. Everything's kind of taking it easy, nice and light. where our original heavy one, that's why I went that heavy first, where that heavy one cuts the inside hexagon, I'm going to bring that lightly down. Okay. And just at the bottom, I'm going to heavy that. Just that little bit there. Take your time on it now. Just spot that right. Just there is what I'm heavying. Going to do the same again, 60 degrees in the opposite direction. I'm here, heading up along. That's my line going there. And just again, going to heavy just that little bit there. And finally, we're doing our horizontal one. From here, across. Just going to heavy that little bit there. Taking these little bite-sized pieces. As you can see, we're starting to get pieces put together. Really take your time on this now. What we've created is we've created an inside triangle. Heavy that up, that internal triangle there. The inside piece done. We've also found middle, we call it the middle line in a triangle, the middle triangle. Heavy that. Alright. Heavy in from here. Okay, again I'm just doing it, taking a step back, doing it again, taking a step back. From the outside again, up. You can slowly I should say, see the shape starting to appear. I'll go back here now and I'm going to do my hexagon bottom left, hexagon bottom right. Do my verticals then. Just do all the verticals while I have the setup done. Okay, it's all starting to pop together. Now we'll do our 30 degrees up the top. And we'll do our 30 degrees on the top left. And there we have it. Just take it in bite-sized pieces, slow it down. There's a little bit happening here now, okay?
Apologies for disturbing class.
Sorry here now, so that is page 79, question 3. Okay.